Hey Jeep lovers! Welcome back to Adventure Jeep, the channel where we bring you the best tips, product reviews, and off-road advice to keep your Jeep looking tough and trail-ready. Today, we're diving into the best cleaner for Jeep fenders, reviewing the top products that restore, protect, and give your ride that bold black finish it deserves. If you're serious about keeping your Jeep adventure ready, make sure you stick around till the end. Number 5. Chemical Guys VRP. While we already covered the Chemical Guys VRP dressing, it deserves another mention because of its consistent popularity and effectiveness across the car care community. For Jeep owners who want a trusted, budget-friendly solution that works on fenders, tires, trim, and even interior vinyl, VRP continues to be a top choice. Its non-greasy, dry-to-the-touch formula ensures that dust and dirt don't cling to the surface, a huge advantage for off-roaders who regularly battle mud and sand. Application is quick with a microfiber pad or foam applicator, leaving behind a sleek satin finish that highlights your Jeep's rugged lines. Many repeat buyers mention that it restores faded plastics impressively well for a product in its price range. Of course, the trade-off for its ease of use and affordability is durability. Unlike permanent restorers, VRP needs more frequent reapplication, especially if your Jeep spends a lot of time under the sun. Still, for detailing enthusiasts who don't mind giving their Jeep a fresh look every few weeks, it's a dependable choice. Number 4. CAR Guys Plastic Restorer. The CAR Guys Plastic Restorer is a premium option for Jeep owners who want both performance and convenience. Packaged with a foam applicator, it's user-friendly and ideal for restoring faded fenders, bumpers, and other plastic or rubber trim. What makes this product stand out is its nanotechnology formula, which penetrates deep into the plastic to restore color and add a protective barrier against UV rays, salt, and rain. Jeep enthusiasts appreciate that it works equally well for daily drivers and off-road builds. After application, fenders look darker, cleaner, and better protected from sun fading and mud splatter. The finish isn't greasy, and the included applicator makes the process mess-free. Unlike cheaper alternatives, the CAR Guys Restorer has a reputation for durability, often lasting several months before another coat is needed. One area of caution is that it's slightly more expensive than similar products, and some users report varying longevity depending on the climate. Still, for those who value quality and ease of use, it's a reliable investment. Number 3. Black Plastic Restorer. When Jeep fenders are severely faded or damaged, quick detail sprays just don't cut it. That's where that black stuff, Black Plastic Restorer, comes in. Marketed as a permanent solution, this product is designed to restore black plastic trim to its original color and keep it that way for years. Unlike traditional dressings, it bonds directly with the surface, making it resistant to rain, car washes, and mud splashes. Many Jeep owners swear by it after taking their rigs through rugged trails, reporting that even after heavy off-road use, the restored finish holds strong. Application is straightforward but requires careful spreading with the provided applicator to avoid streaks. Once applied, the fenders regain a deep black look that feels almost like factory-fresh plastic. One key advantage is its longevity, saving you from constant reapplications. However, some users mention that it takes more time to apply compared to spray-on options, and mistakes during application may be harder to correct since it bonds strongly. Number 2. Chemical Guys VRP Dressing. For Jeep owners who want versatility, the Chemical Guys VRP dressing is a go-to product. This cleaner and conditioner works not just on fenders but also on tires, trim, dashboards, and even RV exteriors. Its dry-to-the-touch formula is what makes it stand out, leaving behind a sleek shine without the greasy residue that attracts dust. Users consistently highlight how well VRP revives faded Jeep fenders while adding a subtle protective barrier against UV rays. Off-roaders particularly love it because mud and dirt wash off more easily after application, keeping fenders cleaner longer. Application is simple. Use a foam applicator or microfiber pad to spread evenly, let it settle, and buff lightly for a natural shine. While VRP is highly rated for its multi-surface use and non-greasy finish, some reviews note that it may need reapplication more often compared to permanent restorers. Still, for Jeep enthusiasts who regularly detail their rides, it strikes a good balance of shine, protection, and usability. Number 1. Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer. Meguiar's is a household name in car care, and their ultimate black plastic restorer has become a favorite for Jeep owners looking to revive faded fenders. This formula deeply penetrates into plastic and vinyl surfaces, restoring a rich black finish that resists fading. Unlike temporary shine sprays, Meguiar's bonds with the surface, offering long-lasting durability even after exposure to rain or repeated washes. Many Jeep enthusiasts praise its non-greasy formula that doesn't leave behind residue, making it practical for daily drivers and off-road vehicles alike. Application is straightforward: simply apply with a clean microfiber cloth, let it soak in, and wipe off the excess. Within minutes, faded fenders look nearly new. Its UV protection is also a big plus, preventing future sun damage. However, some users mention that extremely weathered plastics may require multiple applications for best results. So there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best cleaner for Jeep fenders. Whether you want a quick shine, a durable restorer, or a permanent solution, these products have you covered. Which one are you going to try on your Jeep? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Adventure Jeep for more off-road care guides, product reviews, and Jeep adventure content. And hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep your Jeep clean, keep it tough, and always keep the adventure alive.